master arm on just in case. Okay. Alright, time to put the gear out and see what happens. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Oh, you were right about that right rudder, but fuck, is it hard to control? I'm actually having to tense my arm because I have to hold it at full deflection with a little bit of nose up. And it's... uh-oh. I don't have as much lift surface, right? Yeah, I know, right? And I picked the shortest runway on the fucking planet to do it on as well. Come on. Get that speed down. Get the nose down. Come on. Oh, is that sync rate? Oh, that frame rate. Oh no. All the rates. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. I want out. Oh, parachute? Welcome home. You were able to safely disconnect without costing you side tickets. We did it, boys.